Well, guys, you're going to have to forgive me for looking a bit rough and ready, but I was out my way for a run this morning and I got some news. I checked my brokerage account to see that Dignity has dropped 50%. So I've lost half my money in Dignity PLC. How does this make me feel? Well, obviously I feel gutted that I've put money into this investment and it's halved in value. Disappointed in management because I think they were telling a few porkies, and I'll have to get around to that in this video. And also, I'm just going to hold these shares and see how they go. But it's not a good day. I'm gutted. I'm really gutted. I didn't think that this investment would turn sour so quickly. But that's why I only invested £222 in it. Out of a portfolio now that's nearing on £17,000, 222 quid. I can see the halving value. I don't mind that too much. So firstly, I'm going to tackle I'll tackle the lessons from this investment first. Then I'm going to tackle exactly what happened. So the lessons from this investment. If you're a new investor, this shows you need to know what's the difference between a speculative buy, that I said in the article when I covered Dignity, it's a speculative buy, and then a solid buy. A speculative buy, you're going to see speculative buys crash by 20, 30, 40, sometimes even, as I found out today, 50%. It's going to happen. Solid buys, you want these to be big, steady companies that perform well in recessions. So that's the lessons. Whilst Dignity's under 2% of my portfolio, something like that, it's negligible. I can take this. I don't mind it. Other stocks today perform very strongly. This is the important about having a diversified portfolio. Do not put your eggs in one basket, because the stock market is a crazy place. And if you do that, sure, you can gain 50, 100%, but you can also lose a lot of money as well. So, sorry about the dramatics. I don't really care that much. It's just a small speculative buy on the auxiliary of my portfolio. It's going to happen. I'm sure there'll be buys in the future where they go up 50%. So what exactly happened with Dignity? Now, this is where I'm annoyed, guys. This is where I feel like I've been misled by management. You read Dignity's previous report, and you'll see that they said that they were going to move into lower margin space, that they were going to fund growth in the future by making lower margin acquisitions, and that they were going to continue to increase their prices moderately. So what I expected to see happen was that Dignity would maybe, instead of raising the prices 6 to 8% annually as they have been doing, maybe they'd raise them with inflation, maybe even 2%. What they've done today is cut their funeral service prices by 25%. That's nothing like they said in the previous update statement. So I feel misled by that. I am annoyed by that. What we see in the funeral space now is going to be some intense competition, and it's all going to be about who comes out on top. Now, if you still haven't invested in Dignity shares, maybe worth you investing as a speculative buy, maybe. Personally, with the competition that's heating up now, it's even more of a speculative buy before. I, to be honest, didn't realise the management saw fit that competition was so intense that they were losing so much so much customers to new competition that they were going to slash prices by 25%. I'm just going to have to wait until the next set of results, see what's happening. Who knows what's going to happen to the dividend after that. But you win some, you lose some. That's the stock market. I'm going to keep on going. I'm going to keep on buying, accumulating. And we'll see how it goes. Unlike Card Factory, the difference why I bought more of Card Factory, why I went heavy into Card Factory after they collapsed, is because the effects that we saw in the business, such as foreign exchange, so the weakness of the pound, those are temporary effects. Those will ease up in the future. I'm sure of that. The pound isn't going to stay low forever. With Dignity, we could see competition for a very long time. We do not know if this competition is going to ease up even. So there we go. That's how I feel after updating my blog last week with a speculative buy of Dignity and then watching it crash and burn 50% in about 10 minutes. So yeah, if you want to have a laugh at me, drop a comment below.